Good evening. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm Quashara Halliburton, the CEO of Quashara Detroit Publishing. I'm an author, speaker, coach, and I am so excited to be here today. Today is day 8 of the 30-day challenge. Thank you for those that have been holding me down for the entire challenge. Those that have been watching the replays, thanks so much for your feedback. I really appreciate it. But today's going to be a short live. I'm going to come on today, just talk about 5 lessons that I've learned in the self-publishing journey. Okay. So the first lesson that I've learned, and I'm going to be looking at my notes here, in my author journey, was to keep doing the work, even when no one notices. Okay. So you could be, promoting your book. You could be telling all this great stuff, showing all this great stuff on your page, but no one ever notices, right? But keep doing it because it's going to pay off. Sometimes you think that no one's looking, and then all of a sudden you'll get an inbox or you'll get a call from somebody that's been watching you that you don't even know has been watching you. A couple of years ago, when I published my book, Skyrocket Your Success, the first book, 10 Keys to Refocus, Reposition, and Reclaim Your Purpose, someone contacted me for my job, for my 9 to 5, and said, I don't know you, but I've seen you on Facebook. Are you an author? And so I said, yes, I'm an author. And she asked me what my book was about, and I told her the book was about, basically getting out of your head and start doing the work when it comes to following your goals and your dreams, and how sometimes you have to reposition your goals and refocus and reclaim your purpose. And I was explaining to her what the book was about. And so she was like, you know what? I want to buy a book. So even when no one is saying anything, no one is noticing, someone is noticing. So keep doing the work, keep networking, keep talking about your book, keep sharing your message, because someone is watching, even though you don't know. Okay, somebody could be watching you for years and you don't even know. So keep watching, because somebody is looking for what you offer. Okay. The second lesson that I've learned is that, and I'm looking at my notes over here, your story matters. If you've overcome obstacles and you have life lessons to share with someone to help them speed up the learning curve in whatever that is, whatever your niche is, someone needs to hear your story. So don't hold back on telling your story. Write your book, publish your book, because you're going to change someone's life. So don't just think about your story doesn't matter. Your story does matter. God gave it to you, and he keeps bringing it up to you to write that book for a purpose. So write the book so you can change the lives of others. The third lesson, do it right, not fast. You are not in a competition with anybody. This is your work of art. This is your literary genius. This is your intellectual property. Take pride in your work, and you don't have to rush it. Okay. You need to take step by step, day by day. Hi, Dr. Leroy. Thanks so much for joining. Today, we're talking about 5 lessons that I've learned during my publishing journey. We're on number 3, and I'll go back over everything. Number 3 is do it right, not fast. Take your time and complete your task in excellence. This is not a competition. This is a business. Lay the proper foundation, and you'll be pleased with the results and the success from your efforts. So don't ever feel like what you're doing, you're in competition with someone else somebody else is writing a book. Forget about what they're doing. Your journey is your journey, and your journey is unique to you. So whatever you're doing, do it with pride and in excellence. You don't have to rush the process. If you're just trying to get it out or whatever, go ahead and get your work out, but make sure you're doing it to the best of your ability. You don't have to thank you. You don't have to worry about what somebody else is going to think or whatever. Take your time and do it in excellence. When I'm saying take your time, I don't mean 5 to 10 years, but I'm just saying be diligent in what you're doing so that you can help change the lives of others. Number 4, you can't take everybody on this journey with you. A lot of people say that when they are writing their book or whatever they're doing with their business, that they don't have the support of their family and friends. Your family and friends are not necessarily your target audience. You're writing this book because God gave this to you so that you can help change lives. And it's not necessarily your family. Your family is not your target audience. You should have a specific target audience in which you are sharing your message with. So don't worry about family or friends supporting you. They can support you in other ways by just being a listening ear. Or, when you first come out with your first book, your family and friends may support you and buy your book or whatever, but they're not the intended target audience, more than likely, that you wrote the book for. So don't worry about that and just focus on who your target audience is. Focus on finding your target audience, showing up where they are so that you can share the message to change their lives. Okay. So just like I said, everybody can't come with you. And when you're on the journey to writing your book, you may be spending so much time working on your book. You may miss parties and miss birthdays and things like that. Whatever your goal is, make sure you accomplish your goal. And once you accomplish your goal, you can resume your life. But sometimes you got to pull away from, doing this, doing that, because you have a goal that you want to accomplish, right? So make sure that you take care of your business first and worry about all this other stuff later, because for so many years I was always helping other people do whatever they need to do to meet their goals and dreams. But I put my stuff on the back burner, and I'm like, time is going by and I'm seeing other people get ahead. It's because I was spending so much time helping other people and I'm not focused on the thing that God told me to do. So focus on your activities, what you need to be doing. And then once you have accomplished the goals that you need to accomplish, then you can start worrying about this person or that person. But focus on your dream, nurture your dream, build your kingdom, build the things that you need to build, and then start worrying about what other people are doing. Okay. And the fifth thing is keep learning, keep honing your craft. Success is waiting for you on the other side of all the things that you don't want to do. So keep at it. Even when, like I said, number one, even when you don't see the success you want to see, keep doing it, because somebody is watching you. If God's giving you a gift to be birthed, go ahead and do the things that you need to do to accomplish those goals. Because once you accomplish those goals and you're marketing to the people that your book is for, then your life is going to change. You're going to change the lives of others. So again, I'm going to review this and let's see. So the first thing is keep working even when it seems like no one is watching, because somebody is watching. Number 2, your story matters. Share your life lessons to help transform the lives of others. Number 3, do it right, not fast. It's not a competition. Slow down. Make sure that you're doing what you're supposed to be doing in excellence. And if you don't know how to do it in excellence, find someone that's achieving the goals, that's doing the same thing that you want to do, and get a mentor. Invest in coaching, but make sure that you do it in excellence. It's not a competition. Number 4, you can't take everybody with you. Some people aren't part of your lifelong journey. Some people are just there for seasons, right? So make sure that you're focusing on who's there in this season, right? And don't worry about people that you're leaving in the past. Okay, move forward and do the thing that you're called to do, because as you move forward, you're going to open up yourself and your life to other people, and you're going to start networking with other people to take you to the next level. Don't worry about if you have lost friends in the process. I mean, that's life. It happens. There are seasons and reasons for things to happen. So keep going. And number 5, keep learning and honing your craft. Attend workshops. Attend conferences, keep reading, keep, being members of coaching programs, masterminds, keep honing your craft. Okay. Because it's going to take you to the next level. Okay. So this was a brief live today. I want to come on and make sure that I am honoring this 30-day challenge. This is day 8. So I'm excited for what we have in the future. And if we have any comments or questions, please feel free to ask. If you want to write and self-publish a nonfiction book and you need help, please set up a discovery call. I'm going to link the discovery information in the bio. It's linked in my bio, but I'm just looking at my if you need a discovery call, set up a discovery call. If you are looking to move from your idea to entrepreneurship, you can purchase my new book, Skyrocket Your Success 2.0, The Corporate Woman's Roadmap to Navigate from Employee to Entrepreneur. I will put it in the comments. Okay. So again, thanks so much for joining me. I appreciate it. This is day 8. Tomorrow's day 9. And I hope you have a wonderful evening and happy Juneteenth. I hope you has taken some time today to celebrate Juneteenth. If you celebrate Juneteenth, I'm going to start taking this day off because it's not an offered day yet at my 9 to 5, but I'm just going to start taking Juneteenth off and finding some way to celebrate as well. So again, I hope you enjoyed your Juneteenth. I hope you enjoyed your Monday, and I hope you're motivated to do all the things that you're called to do in this season. So again, this is Quashara with Quashara Detroit Publishing and the author of the Skyrocket Your Success series. Follow me on YouTube at QD Publishing. Thanks so much for tuning in and have a great evening.